Austin, Austin, how's your first Christmas? Is it good? Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't care as long as you got milk. You don't care what you have for Christmas, do you? No. No. Oh. Austin. 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 You're being all quiet now. Now we got you filmed. Yeah, there we go.
Little background music.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right, Austin. You got some background music. Alright. We got 1 minute of you doing something on Christmas.